On number 8, we have drama Meeting You. Born smart, the Nanzi is a boy who never struggled with the academic in a school, but his time there was not easy because of the social anxiety he have. Afterward, we have the girl Zia Rui, who is a talkative girl. She is a truly social butterfly surrounded by the friends. She was often the center of attention in the school. Their paths were unlikely crossed with each other. Once they were strangers, now they are best of friends, and thus this unlikely pair has now only drawn closer over the year, and their friendship slowly blossoms into the love. The next drama is Face Off. The candid and the straightforward Chen Zhen work as a sales girl for the cosmetics. She meets the Wang Yi, a leading prosthetic makeup artist, as a fashion show by chance, and thus the commences her pursuits in the field of a prosthetic makeup, while the romance blossoms between the two, but the romance is not easy for them. The next drama is Love in Time. The Su Jiannan is a popular writer with a huge fan base. Suddenly, she caught in the middle of a family struggle, which can put an end to all her dream of becoming a successful novelist. Then she meets one of her old high school mate, whose name is Lu Bo Yan. He is the CEO of the successful investment company, but he is also struggling with his family. Agreeing to help each other, they both comes and sign a marriage contract, and this fake marriage slowly try to come into the real life. The next drama is Love Unexpected. The young, rich, and the handsome CEO, who is emotionless from the past trauma, meet a girl who is the daughter of a MMA gym owner, and without recognizing her, he make the biting marks on her and start to act rude before her because he don't like anyone now. But this story begins a romance, a lot of humor, the tropes, and the cute and romantic love. The next drama is Mr. Honesty. The Zhu Ye Rin loses both her relationship and career in one night. Her close friend Zia Di recommended her to an architecture company. However, during the interview, she finds out that the CEO is the person who exposed that her boyfriend is cheating on her. His name is the Fang eventually gets the job, but she wants to know the reason why he exposed him and why he supported her. This is one of the best and the most romantic drama you will ever watch. The next drama is Invisible Life. In order to avoid her mother meddling in her love life, the Ye Zhu Bai joins a business project that has a strict boss whose name is On Yi. He is running, and the two end up falling in love and having a secret relationship because their workplace doesn't allow romance between colleagues. They end up marrying and establishing a family in secret, and Zhu Bai think that life is going well, but then the unexpected turns comes in their life. The next drama is Professional Single. The single since birth, Yon Qian and Qin Shen are the two people who will probably end up being single for life because they want to. The Qin Shen is a student who dreams of becoming a sculptor. He is a handsome like a god level. He is a cold, disciplined, and a perfectionist. He finds dating to be the complete waste of time. The Yon Khan has a appearance of a cute girl. She is next door but has a headstrong personality. She doesn't want any guy nearby her. And then these both people who really don't love anything and who really don't want love in their life end up meeting each other, and their perception and their thinking changes after that. The next drama is My Mr. Mermaid. Tang Yibai is a former champion swimmer who was wrongfully accused of doping. He returned after 4 years to compete for the South Physical Education College alongside his best friend. At the competition, he meets the rookie sports reporter Yun Duo, who is assigned to cover the competition but has a fear of water due to the near-drowning incident in her past. The Yun Duo also happens to rent a room in the Yi-Bai's family home, and the two become good friends. And then they start their relationship because they fall in love, but their relationship is a secret and hidden from everyone because everyone wants them to be away from each other, but no one can stop them falling for each other.